Hi, how's it going out there? So today what I'm doing is I'm rebuilding my Bakeneko, and I'm gonna do it with, well, I said KTT Peaches, and that seems to be what people are interested in, so probably that. I know people are also kind of curious about like tactiles. I don't really do tactiles often, but I'll probably put that in at some point just because I feel like there is a group of people who really like tactiles. For now, I'm just kind of removing all the old switches from this board. But yeah, let me know if the audio levels are kind of whack or anything like that, and I will fix it. Yeah, I'm only putting the keycaps in here temporarily because I do want to put them back on the Bakeneko at some point, but I want to see what it looks like with the PBT Taro keycap sets. So I will be doing that today. And I'll be mostly using that tomorrow, hopefully. I'm sorry for streaming so late, by the way. I mean, I'm sure it's not late for some people. Some people it's like the morning, middle of the day, but you don't actually need it. Well, you kind of do actually if you're going to take them all out. Let's put the case up here for now. Now you might be wondering why I have some tape there. It's because there's this one spot in this corner, the backspace, that sounds hollow for some reason. I don't really know why. But here's the board. I know, just ignore the scuffed tape. It's not too bad. A lot of people complain about the painting, and yeah, it's not great. It could be better for sure, but it's honestly not terrible. There you go. It's all focused on my hand. Yeah. Well, that's the best I can do there. But yeah, that's it with the daughter board. You just screw these in. Luckily, it comes with the little hex wrench comes with the keyboard, so it's really nice. Everything that you need to build it is right there. This is honestly my most recommended like entry level board. I like it a lot. To be honest, I kind of like it more than the Portico. I used to like the Portico more because it was lighter. It was just a lot easier to move around, but then I realized like the Bakeneko is not actually heavy. It's not heavy at all. There's no weight on it, so that it's just kind of like you could just pick it up and move it around. Unlike the new one, the 65 has a weight, so that's kind of cool. Actually, I should probably stick something in here that I'm planning on reviewing next. Given that I've already kind of done the peaches, although I kind of want to try them again. It's been a while. I feel like I can get a new fresh take on them. But let me see what I have over here. I have some Kiwis. Do I want to do tactile switches? I'm thinking either these or the lychees. Let's do it. Let's do these. Oh yeah, so the assembly is actually like really quick, really easy. For those who might be wondering how it's done, you can't really see it here, but there's nothing on the back to worry about. You just kind of clip the legs on the clip the stabilizers, lube them, you stick them in the board. They're good. I did the holy mod on these, so just a heads up on that. But they sound really crisp now. They've been broken in really, really hard. So nothing to worry about there. Do a playlist build now, that'd be crazy. Okay, so how I actually put switches into the plate without them, kind of getting without them getting like pushed back out or having some bow is I start in the middle. Why do I do that? Because the middle actually allows me to pull up on the switch. Yeah, I've been trying to improve my rig. Unfortunately, I only have one camera, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I actually originally got these switches because I wanted to build a keyboard with my girlfriend and show her why I love this hobby. She actually built one, and well, now she has Boba U4Ts in hers, so she likes those a lot. But I was like, let's try something different. Let's get some Kiwis. They're tactile. They're easier to get than Bobas. Damn, this pin is hella bad. I feel very fortunate that this was my first keyboard. And I've gotten others since. It's just, I don't know. I always just end up coming back to this because I feel like it's such a comfortable and like simple board. Yeah, one of my biggest scares is if I keep doing these like builds, you know, if I keep like rebuilding and using it for reviews, it's gonna ruin the hot swap sockets, which you eventually will. You know, they only have a life of a couple hundred uses, swaps. Which is really not a lot in the hindsight of things. Especially if you make mistakes and you have to re-put in switches a couple times. That already cuts it down to like 50. Okay, Kiwis are in. I need to do tangerines at some point. I already did the normal tangerines, but I wanted to try the 60 gram, or the, not 60, 62 gram tangerines, the lighter weight one. Because to be honest, 67 is kind of a lot for me. I got weak fingers. Let's put in the cable gently. There you go. Oh, nice. Actually feels really good. Now I have to I have to take apart this baby. Sad, but it must be done. First key's gotta be, wow, that came out really easy. Thank God. Dude, I can't wait to get like a lavender or a lilac board. I feel like that would be a very, very nice build. I wish that this set came with scooped though. Unfortunately, it does not. Only the divot. Yeah, unfortunately, the thing about 60% keyboards is there's not a lot of room to kind of put novelties, you know? Like you put them here, but the 1U novelties, like, what am I supposed to do with that, you know? Oh, here we go. Please tell me this isn't warped. Okay. If it is, I'm gonna have to fight somebody. Oh, nice. Yeah, no, oh, you know what? Here, I might as well show you like the whole kit, cause yeah, Taro, I've been loving it. I didn't have it on this board originally. Oh, let me see, focus. So there we go. That's the that's the set on my Bakeneko. Looks really good. Actually, oh, I forgot to plug it in, the daughter board. But yes, I have it on my Bakeneko right now. I had it, the only one I have right now, because I joined the hobby back in July. No, not July, April. I joined back in April. So by the time I had decided to get a Gym Key set, it's like I gotta wait 2 years or something. So that's unfortunate. But yes, in this keyboard I have some Kiwis, and I'm just gonna do a quick typing test. Oh, that's pretty nice. There you go. Yes, yeah. Kiwis are tactiles. They are designed by the same person that designed the tangerines, C3 equals, and they're sold by the Key Company. They're sold by other people too, but yeah, I've shown it on this board before, but I decided like I wanted to try building something, just to try reconfiguring my keyboards. I feel like I always keep the same keycap sets on it once I find like a combination that I like, like all my boards have like the best I can give it. But I think I don't need to have sets or like keyboards ready at all, like the same keyboards ready at all times. I just have one that I really like to use. So I decided to put some tactiles in this, try to see how it feels. And man, I really love the way, like, let's see if it'll focus. I love the way Taro looks. PBT Taro looks like really, really good on like a lot of different colored boards actually. Like black, blue, white, polycarb. Pretty nice. I think the Kiwis overall are an okay switch. They're pretty nice. They sound okay. They feel nice, actually. They are very, very tactile, actually. Yeah, I know. I built it like the thing about the Bakeneko, right? The Bakeneko is super quick to build, super easy. I mean, especially if you already have stabilizers that are like lubed and prepped, which I already had this board before. I just took it apart and rebuilt it. Um, so like, I mean, all you do is you put in stabs, you put the plate over it, you clip in the switches, you put the band on, and then you slide it in, and that's kind of all you need to do. Honestly, for most builds, I feel like stabilizers are the thing that takes forever to do. Like once you finish the stabilizers, the rest of the keyboard should be like smooth sailing, You get the switches in, unless you have to solder. But I mean, it's a hot swap board, so you don't really have to solder or anything. But I would like to open up commissions and see if like anyone's trying to just, I don't know. Part of me is like, I know people do it because I watch other streamers build like keyboards for customers where they just have all the parts but don't want to build it. But I can't imagine buying a custom keyboard like a kit like this and not wanting to do it yourself, you know? It kind of defeats the purpose unless you're just like really worried you're gonna mess up modding and stuff like that. But I feel like honestly, if you put so much like money into it, you might as well like have the experience of building it yourself, right? But you know, then again, I'm not to judge, and I would benefit from people who want me to build the board for them, so I'm not gonna knock them for that. So yeah, I don't know. Hopefully, people will be like, hey yo, I got all these parts. Build it for me. You know what? That's true too. That's actually really true. Yeah, sometimes people enjoy watching their board watching their board getting built. I guess in the same way, that's like the same, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm like tripping over my words. Yeah, I guess that's the same enjoyment that we get out of building our own boards. We're still watching it being built, and you just get the joy of seeing it put together and having someone put their personal touch on it. Hope to get you again next time. Thank you again for the follow. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to raid soon, but thank you guys for dropping in. I know this is gonna be a whack raid, dude. I hope Tim does not like look hella disappointed. All right, well, there's no one in here anymore, so I guess we'll see you next time.